So here's a beautiful vintage wool sweater from the 50s. It's name brand, and I'm going to show you the label in a second, but it's so adorable. Perfect. We're having mosquito season again. I'm definitely not loving that. Anyway. Wow, so perfect. And 50s. And if you're going to a 50s party, this is what you wear with a big, beautiful full skirt. So this says Lana Stevens. This 1950s tag. 100% wool. And here I love permanently moth-proofed. Permanently moth-proofed. I love that. So it's 18 across the bust, it's 13.5 across the waist, that's relaxed, both of those relaxed, and then 18 in length. So next for today we have this gorgeous designer dress from the 50s, and it's so beautiful, it reminds me of Crazy.